That's my buddy, Tommy. He's my friend. And you know, I introduced you to him, but we love him so much. He comes up here to our chill spot. Because we call this the vacation home. But it's really our chicken farm. It's on the other side of our land. See the chickens? They all up in there. Roscoe's over there. Roscoe! Roscoe! Roscoe, show yourself. There you are. And I just want you to see, again, that beautiful view. I sit up here. Sometimes I'll sit over here. And I'll pet my friend when he comes through. Because he's my buddy. Yeah. He's my best friend cat boy. Yes. He's not my cat. And when he comes up, I get excited to see him. Because he's just so fucking cool. Look at that view. Oh shit.